So I'm going to do those 6 little problems. Okay. So least common multiple and a promotion for local deli. Oops, let me just give you a second here. Right. In promotion for local deli, every 8th customer will get a free sandwich, and every 6th customer will get a free drink. Which customer will be the first to get both a free drink and a free sandwich? So every 8th customer, right? Every 8th customer gets a sandwich. So let me write this down for you. And every 6th customer gets a free drink. All right, so let's line them up just for a second here. Customer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, I'm gonna line them up. I'm just gonna go over just a little bit more. Right? I obviously don't want you to, but I don't want you to do it this way, but I want you to understand. So for the sandwich, let's use blue. Okay, so 8th customer, he's gonna get a sandwich. And then 16, he's gonna get a sandwich. And then 24, he gets a sandwich. Free sandwich. For drink, let's use green. Okay, so I'm just gonna put green here. The green, every 6. So this customer, this 6th person gets a free drink. 6 plus 6 is 12. This guy gets a free drink. 12 plus 6 is 18, and this person gets a free drink. 18 plus 6, 24. So the 24th customer, if you look here, right, the 24th customer, he's going to get a free drink and a free sandwich. So this is an LCM problem. Why? Because we're trying to find out when 2 repeating patterns happen at the same time down the line. So if we did LCM, we go 8 and 6. We pick a number, 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And here's my LCM, right? The product of these 3 numbers. So LCM is 2 times 4 times 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So the 24th customer, so whether you did it this way, you line them up, or you do it this way, the 24th customer gets a free drink and a soda. So after the 24th customer, which would be the next customer to get? Well, the next customer to get would be the 48th customer, right? Because it's every 24, 24, 24. And if you did another 24, the 72nd customer also gets a free drink and a free sandwich. Okay, so that's one way. And the other way is if you list the multiples. You know, so let's go 8 times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, etc. Times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, etc. So you can tell that 24 shows up, right? The first multiple that shows up. So you get 24, 24, 24, any in which way you do this, okay? So whichever way you feel more comfortable, but I think the LCM doing the latter method is the easiest. Okay. Number 2, Alano and Abby work at night. Alano works every 4th night. Alano, right? So every 4th night, and Abby every 6th night. So when are they going to? So imagine they work, right? And they always have a break. Alano always has a break every 4th day, and Abby every 6th day. When will they have a break together? Well, so again, 4 and 6, we do the LCM. 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes to 6 3 times. Right, so the LCM is the product of these 3 numbers. So 2 times 2 times 3, and that would give us 12. So on the 12th day, Alano and Abby have a break together. So if you think about it, Alano has a break on the 4th day, on the 8th day, on the 12th, on the 16th, on the 20th, so on. Abby, she has a break on the 6th day, on the 12th day, on the 18th, and the 24th. Let me just put 24 over here. So notice that on the 12th day, Alana and Abby have a break together. On the 24th day, they also have a break together. But they were also asking this for the earliest, right? So the first day that they have a break together will be the 12th day. 3, a radio station is giving away a discount coupon to every 12th caller and a free ticket to every 20th caller. So which caller is going to get a free ticket and what? And a discount coupon. Okay, so you get two prizes, right? So you got 12 and 20. So let's divide this by 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 5 is 20. We can't break it anymore, so that's it. We stop over here. The LCM is 4 times 3 times 5, which is going to give us 1260. So the 60th person to call, that person is going to get a free ticket and a discount coupon. So 2 things, 2 prizes. 3, Faith spent the same amount of money on cassette tapes as she did on CDs. You can tell how old this question is. The tapes cost $12 and the CDs cost $16. What is the least amount of money she would have to spend? Well, this one's different. So $12. This is $16, right? So this is the tape. You write tape. And this is a CD. So here, let's see what the it would be 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Right? So the LCM, what's the LCM here? The LCM is 4 times 3 times 4. And 4 times 3 times 4 would be 48. So she would spend 40, so the least amount of money she would spend would be $48. No, hang on a second. Am I multiplying this right? 16, 48. What's the amount of money she's going to spend on each? Where's the question? Hang on a second. Right, so the answer is 48. So the least amount she could have spent, if she bought the same amount, what do you call it? Same amount of money, then 48 would have been the least amount. Okay, so she spent $48 to buy CDs and to buy cassette tapes. Okay. 5. Oops. So 5. Sorry. 3 bikers. Ooh, there's 3 people now. So 3 bikers go around a circular pass. Okay, the first cycle rides a circle in 12 minutes. The second guy takes 18 minutes to do a circle, and the third person takes 24 minutes. If they all start at the same time and go in the same direction, how many minutes will they meet at the starting point? After how many minutes will they meet at the starting point? So imagine this. So, right, a circle, and one guy takes 12 minutes, the other person takes 24 minutes, and the other person takes 18 minutes, right? And they go around and around. When will they meet at the starting point again? So, LCM of 3 numbers. What can we pick here? We can use 2. We can use 3. Can we go higher? We use 6. 6 goes 12 2 times. 6 goes into 18 3 times. 6 goes into 24 4 times. Can we still go on? Yes, we can. And we're going to use a 2. 2 goes into 2 1 time. 2 goes into 3, no. So just write it down. And 2 goes into 4 2 times. Now we're ready to find the LCM. And the LCM is 6 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2. And that's going to give us 20, hang on a second. 6 times 12, 72. Okay, so we can say that after 72 minutes, right? After 72 minutes, they will meet at the starting point. Okay. Last question. At a party, paper cups come in 15, Plates coming 30 and napkins coming 20. If in order to have the same number of cups, plates, and napkins, what is the least number of each that must be bought? Okay, so 15, 30. So I'm gonna write and I want to write cups here, and I want to write plates, and I want to write package. Oops, and I want to write, what's the last one? Napkins. Napkins come in 20. Vasos, platos y servilletas. What number can we use? Well, we can use 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times, 5 goes into 10 6 times, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. Can we continue? Yes, we can use a 3 or we can use a 2. It's really up to you here. Let's use 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time, 3 goes to 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 4. No, it doesn't, but we copy. Can we continue? Yes, we can. We can use a 2. 2 cannot go into 1, so write it down. 2 goes into 2 1 time, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. Now we can circle. So the LCM is going to be 5 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 1 times 2, and that's going to give us 15. 15 times 4 is 60. Okay, so he needs to buy 60 cups, 60 plates, and 60 napkins. Okay, and that's the least amount of, right? So to make sure that we have the same number, he needs to buy 60 cups, 60 plates, and 60 napkins. And if you divide 60 divided by 15, so how many packages of cups? So 60 divided by 15, he's going to need 4 packages, right? And then plates. Plates have 30 plates, so 60 divided by 30, you need 2 packages. And then, what's the other one? Napkins. Napkins, you get 60 divided by, there's 20. So it's going to be, he needs 3 packages. Okay. So he needs to buy 60, 60, 60 of each, but in terms of packages, that's how many packages he needs to buy. Okay. Yeah, and that's that. Very simple homework.